Hi everyone! Thank you so much for coming to TVO today. I'm sorry the weather is what it is outside and we really appreciate you waiting to come visit us. My name is Erica and I'm a producer here at TVO. I work on a show called Big If True, which is a weekly show about misinformation and disinformation. Today you will see our studios as well as our control room. So we'll take you through here. I am one of the tour guides on this tour here today. First question for everyone. Does anyone know when TVO was founded? Yeah. And what is
I know.
Dwayne, you're missing everything. I don't know who Dwayne is.
I'm Dwayne.
Not that far. I was joking when I called it Dwayne's name.
What? Do you know?
Did you get a picture?
Yes. It did attend like I said, 13 seasons. After that, became the agenda with Steve Bacon. Ran 19 seasons from this. Good. Now you'll pay attention.
Here on a cold day, it means that you're connected to TVO in a special way, and we really appreciate you coming over. So back to Mark.
Great, thanks everyone. So now you've got a bit of a free form, so you can come and meet Gabrielle and get on her set. Original Studio 1 is in the basement of this building. That's where we would have done Saturday Night at the Movies, The View from Here, Big If True, not Big If True, sorry, Report Canada, Speaking Out, Between the Lines, all that stuff was shot in the basement studio.
They came out of it.
Sorry, I was going with these kids here. So over at
I was maybe 5.
Epoxy up and poured a new floor. Now, they came to me and were like, do you want it black? Do you want it like, I'm the technical producer. I don't care what color it is. That's an artistic.
What we do here, starting with this fancy wall at the front. It's a wall of monitors, so we have a very fancy name for it. It's a technical term called monitor wall. So starting at the top left is the teleprompter. It's operate over there, but I'll talk about that more in a few minutes. To the right of the clock is our off-air monitor. So that's currently what is on TVO right now as we speak, going live. That's run down. We have a company downtown called Key Media Services. They have our broadcast channel down there. They our schedule, and we send the files to them, and they put it there for us. From 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. When we do shows like The Rundown, Big If True, On Holiday, Mistreated, we have some people in the control room, somebody in audio, 3 or 4 people in the studio, but we scale it to the production. If we do an election, we have the control room's full, lots of people in the studio, and we actually have people up in the offices upstairs doing results and polling, and so it can be a huge production. So we scale it to what the staffing are needed. So going through some of the positions, to my right, Christine is our production assistant, or PA for short. So she's responsible for timing out the show. So we know. But the Auditor General is only available Wednesday afternoon. That's a pretty big name to get, so we're making sure we have time. So we'll record both Wednesday and Thursday this week with them. Any more questions?
Yes.
Oh, 呢個真係好快，個 run down。
I was, you know, when I worked
Right, yes, I agree, yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah, TVO Kids has done some programming on that. We talked to the kids about that. Yeah, that's just a still, just a graphic.